Retail has always been a very competitive industry, but over the last 2 to 3 years, we've seen that overall retail sales has been flattening. And so that growth curve that you would just normally get from new store openings or from the move to digital has slowed. And so whether it's in the grocery space and major players just trading those consumer dollars, or in some of the more discretionary categories, it's not growing population and more affluent or wage gains driving growth. It's now a fixed pie that each retailer is having to fight for their fair share of. So to really get in front of that opportunity, or to address that challenge, we're seeing a lot of discussions around personalization. We call it mass to micro, but how can they really use the data that they've been building over the last 5, 10, 15 years to really put personalized offers, creative, and communications in front of their customers to win that share in the market. To really bring personalization to life at scale, it's not just a data problem that needs to be solved or just enabling technology. It's really an operating model shift. So it's the way decisions are made, it's the way cross-team collaboration, both within marketing, but then larger across the enterprise. So in retail, it's working with merchant partners to understand what products do they want to target to what customers. It's working with operations, what goods do we put in what stores to have the best localized assortment. So it really spans the gamut across process, technology, organization to bring personalization at scale to life. I see the complexity of personalization being in marrying up not just what you know about a customer and how you can offer them a next best action or product recommendation, but really the complexity is what I call doing it at scale. So if you've got 50, 75, 100 million customers in your customer database and you have 5 channels you can talk to them across and 5 to 10 product categories, those combinations and permutations of who to talk to about what, when, and in what channel is hugely complex. So for retailers, it's been a journey just to gather the data required, but really the next horizon I see of personalization is whether it's around automated decision making, or we call it maybe sometimes the age of algorithms, but really getting more hands off the wheel in how you're driving personalized communications to your customers and trusting the data, trusting the decisioning, and not needing to have a human proofing or reviewing or being a part of that decision making. That's really where I start to see personalization accelerate or really be achieved at scale.